No ice? No problem. The ICEPURE Ice Maker turns your kitchen into an ice factory. Ever hosted a party, only to run out of ice faster than your guests can say on the rocks? Or maybe your restaurant's ice bin is constantly running low, making your drinks warmer than a summer sidewalk. Enter the ICEPURE Under-Counter Ice Maker, the ice-making powerhouse that churns out 80 pounds of crystal-clear cubes every 24 hours. With a 26-pound storage bin, you'll always have enough ice to keep drinks cold, cocktails crisp, and customers, or guests, happy. No more desperate runs to the gas station for overpriced, half-melted bags of ice. This machine's got your back. Why wait hours for a standard freezer to produce a handful of sad, cloudy cubes when you can have 45 thick, square ice cubes every 12 to 18 minutes? That's right, this commercial-grade beast delivers consistent, high-quality ice at lightning speed. Unlike flimsy countertop models, the ICEPURE is built tough with stainless steel and is freestanding, built-in, or under-counter compatible. Plus, the adjustable ice thickness function lets you customize your cubes, whether you want quick melting ice for smoothies or chunky blocks that last all night in cocktails. Who has time to babysit an ice maker? Not you. That's why the ICEPURE features a 24-hour timer, so you can schedule ice production whenever you need it. Plus, its automatic sensor stops production when the bin is full, preventing annoying overflows. Need hassle-free maintenance? Just press the self-cleaning button, and it deep cleans itself, so you don't have to scrub away grime. This is a low-maintenance, high-efficiency machine designed for people who just want fresh, clean ice, without the drama. The ICEPURE Ice Maker isn't just about performance, it's built to last. Made from stainless steel with a BPA-free, food-grade interior, this insulated workhorse keeps ice frozen longer while resisting rust and wear. The reversible door and sleek silver gray finish make it a stylish addition to any kitchen, bar, restaurant, or cafe. And unlike bulky, hard-to-install ice machines, the plug-and-play setup takes just 1 minute. Hook up the hoses, turn it on, and boom, instant ice production. Durable, reliable, and sleek, it's an investment that pays for itself and saves time and stress. Whether you're running a business, hosting gatherings, or just love a fully stocked ice bin at all times, the ICEPURE Under-Counter Ice Maker is a total game-changer. With massive output, self-cleaning tech, adjustable settings, and effortless installation, it beats out standard freezers and countertop machines by a mile. Say goodbye to ice shortages, weak machines, and overpriced store-bought bags. This is your all-in-one solution for never running out of ice again. Click to buy now and enjoy an endless supply of ice, whenever, wherever, however you like it.